Hey, this is Rick, and I'm so glad that you're with me today with Adventures with Rick. We're just kind of kicking off this YouTube channel with some smaller videos. I have this old 81 Kawasaki LTD 440 that I've been working on, and a friend of mine got it running for me, and we got it all fixed up, and I've just been trying to work out some of the bugs. I've been out trying to scout some campgrounds, look around, find some places where we can go camping, and I found this really cool one here in Croswell, Michigan, which is nearby, and rode to it the other day with the bike, and just really a cool time. And then today I decided to take it a little bit further, and we went on into Port Huron, Michigan. So today was about a 60-mile trip. Yesterday was about 40 miles. Now as I was going in, I got a chance here. This old Sprinter van in front of me, or whatever it is, was poking along, and I decided to trust the bike and get it out there and get going. This bike hadn't been on the road in quite a few years, and we put it back together. Pretty excited about how it's been performing for the last week or two. So hopefully we can take off soon and go camping. One of the things that we're blessed with around here is just an incredible scenery. I don't live too far from Lake Huron, so we're actually able to get some really good time over there by the lake pretty easily. And here we're passing over down into a little bit of a ravine here, and there's a river that goes down through there and some twisties. That was kind of fun. I can't wait to really get to the point where I really trust this bike better and spend some more time in the twisties. So here we're turning into Fort Gratiot Park, and this is right out on Lake Huron. So just a minute, as we drive through the park here, you're going to be able to see Lake Huron, which is pretty amazing and a pretty awesome spot to end up at today. I love how when you're pulling up here, it just suddenly unfolds before you. Lake Huron. Pretty amazing spot. This beach is really awesome. And if you look off to the right, if you're out on the beach, you can see Ontario, Canada from here. And so it's a really cool place, even when it's cold out. You just come in here and sit and check out. You can notice the ship off there to the left. That's a little white dot at the horizon. And then on the right, there's two of them. Two on the right are freighters. The one on the left, I'm not sure. But the freighters will run down into St. Clair River, and they deliver both on the Ontario side and on the Michigan side.